Hey all, let's talk about clear skin today, and this video is going to be for everybody irrespective of the gender. So let's get into the video. Clear skin. You can get clear skin in two ways. First, proper digestion, keeping your stomach clean, and second, double cleansing. If I talk about proper digestion, I know most of you already know about this, how to keep the stomach clean by drinking enough water, avoiding junk food, following healthy diet, but it is little difficult to be consistent with these things. So I would suggest you guys to make sure whatever you eat, it gets digested properly. For that, you can chew slowly, you can go for a walk after your meal, and third thing that I follow is taking Triphala. This is Triphala. You can see this helps in proper digestion. But make sure to consult your doctor before taking Triphala, because those who are taking medication for diabetes and hypertension cannot take this Triphala because it reduces the effect of their medicines. All of you, please consult your doctor before taking Triphala. This is for 120 rupees only. This is amazing. This helps me in proper digestion. Whenever I have acne, I know that okay, my stomach is not clear and that's why I'm facing acne. So I quickly just take 1 spoon of Triphala with warm water and I can actually see the result. So the conclusion is, if your stomach is clean, your face is going to be clear. So this was all about internal factor. Now let's talk about the outside factor, that is exposure of our skin to sun rays, pollution, dust, etc. For that we'll be discussing about double cleansing. Okay, what is double cleansing? Double cleansing means washing your face twice. Not twice in a day, but back to back. Once with an oil-based cleanser and again with a water-based cleanser. Oil-based cleanser because it helps in removing makeup, dirt and dead skin, okay, and water-based cleanser because it helps in cleaning the face further, okay, because we cannot just leave our face just by washing it with oil. So before going ahead, I would like you guys to know why double cleansing is important, okay. For that, I would like you guys to just wash your face. Take your face wash that you guys use in your daily life. Afterwards, take a toner or anything that you have, just spray the toner on your face and with the help of a cotton pad, clean your face. You see that even after washing your face with the face wash, the amount of dirt that comes out of your face. When I saw this first time, I was really shocked that even after washing my face, I still have dirt in my face, right? So that's why you get the acne problem, you get the pimple problem, okay? For that, double cleansing is really important. Now for double cleansing, I do not buy any product from the market. I have made my own oil-based cleanser and water-based cleanser, okay. So I thought of sharing the procedure with all of you, the DIY with all of you, so that you guys can actually try. So let's get into the video and see the DIY for oil-based cleanser and water-based cleanser. Let's start with oil-based cleanser. For oil-based cleanser, you need 3 types of oil: castor oil, olive oil and argan oil. So according to different types of skin, the cleanser is to be made, okay. So first, if you have combination oily or acne prone skin, then you need to mix 30% of castor oil with 50% of olive oil and the remaining 20% of argan oil. Why are we putting 30% of castor oil? Because castor oil dry your face a lot, okay. So 30% of castor oil is more than enough for an oily skin. Second, if you have normal skin, then put 20% of castor oil, 60% of olive oil and remaining 20% of argan oil, okay. This balances out well and your normal skin is going to be normal, no oiliness, no dryness, okay. And if you have extremely dry or sensitive skin, then no to 10%, 0 to 10% of castor oil, because as I mentioned before, castor oil dries your face, okay. So if you do not want to use castor oil, don't use castor oil at all, okay. So 10% of castor oil or 0% of castor oil, 80% of olive oil and 10 to 20% of argan oil according to castor oil, okay. So yeah, after mixing this well, your oil based cleanser is ready. But those who have oily skin, make sure to not use just castor oil because it dries the face. Castor oil is very thick, so it might clog your pores, okay, which is going to be very harmful. So make sure to prepare this combination well, otherwise it's not going to work well. Let's move on to water-based cleanser. For water-based cleanser, you need gram flour, rice flour and turmeric powder. You can prepare rice flour by grinding the rice grains in the mixer grinder, and make sure to strain the rice, grinded rice through a sieve so that you get rid of large particles or large grains. Now mix 2 spoons of gram flour, 2 spoons of rice flour and half spoon of turmeric powder. Make sure turmeric powder should be 1/4 of the flour used. Mix well and your water-based cleanser is ready. Yeah, it's that easy. Store these oil-based cleanser and water-based cleanser in a jar, whatever you have in your home, and keep it in the washroom. That's very important if you want to be consistent. Now let's see how do I use these cleansers to wash my face. Take few drops of oil-based cleanser and apply on your face in a circular and upward motion. Be sure to cover the area near your ear and beneath your chin. It's really important to cover these areas. Now take a cotton pad and dip it in a warm water, as we have to remove oil. Okay, to remove oil, dip it in the warm water, lukewarm water, and then clean your face thoroughly. After cleaning your face, take some water-based cleanser, pour few drops of water and mix well. Apply this on your face in the same upward and circular motion. Now again, wash and clean your face properly. Your double cleansing procedure is done. It's just done in literally 5 minutes, okay? Now to show you the result, let's do the same thing. Take your toner, spray it on your face, and with the help of a cotton pad, clean your face. Now just notice the difference, okay, the amount of dirt that came out before and now, and see the result yourself. I'm telling you, you are gonna love the result. My skin feels really smoother afterwards as well. Just apply some moisturizer, the lip balm, and you're all set to go. That is it. Natural skin is the best skin. I hope you guys liked this double cleansing procedure. You can do this once in the morning and again before going to bed, that is at night. You can skip this oil-based cleansing in the morning if you want. Do this twice a day and you are gonna see the results really soon. That is my promise to all of you. Okay, so that is it guys. If you like this video, do try this at your home and comment and let me know what was the result for you. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I'm really new to this channel and I'm enjoying filming videos for all of you a lot. Sharing knowledge is caring. I care for all of you. Do care for me and like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.